One of the ways that I've leveled up my skincare is not only adding a serum to my skincare, but it's also adding a toner. That there have been so many great toners out there that this one I just had to try. As you can see, the liquid, it is a more viscous, or it has more viscosity than some of the other toners, that you can see that it does have like some thickness to it. It's not just traditional water, that it really goes into the skin and adds that hydration that you really need. It has ingredients like a blue hyaluronic acid, and it's perfectly suitable that you can use it morning and night. This actually works perfectly under my skincare, like when I'm applying makeup. And if you want to just add that extra glow to your skin and smooth out your skin, I would consider adding a toner into your routine. That this one is just perfect. As you can see, I do just have a little baby size, but it's definitely enough that I can already see some results.